you go, go with all your heart. The saying by Confucius focuses on letting love lead your way. For a young patient care assistant at UofL Heart Hospital, the path was laid decades earlier by the woman who showed her love first. WHAS 11's Haley Minogue brings us this mother-daughter story.
You want to grab some of that stuff? The first time I worked with her, it was so weird.
To be honest, Sharon and Abby don't have too much in common.
Look, I'm used to be calling Sharon, or Miss Outlaw or something like that. All of a sudden I hear Mom. Like, what, Mom?
And you want this on that side?
No, we'll take one out and put it in the other room.
Initially, like when I first kind of took on the job, with us being complete polar opposite, like personalities, I was kind of already like on the fence about working on the same unit with her, because I was like I love her, that's my mom, but I was like, that's my mom, like.
But they find their common ground on the cardiovascular intensive care unit at Heart Hospital.
Our unit as a whole works really well together as a team. We have to, as sick as these people are, to make it work. But yes, I can tell Abby what I need and why, and she'll jump right on it.
Over the past year, they've worked in tandem. The ebb and flow clear as they work to set up this room for a critically ill patient. Their relationship has deepened, both personally and professionally, especially when Sharon hears how much people love Abby.
The patients and the families, they all know that we're mother and daughter, and what's neat is I can come in to work, and she'd been working the next day when I was off, and I'll come in and they'll say, Abby did such a wonderful job yesterday taking care of me or my loved one. And so that's been really nice to see.
The mother-daughter duo is used to dealing with the sickest patients in the building, which can be heavy on all hearts.
The first time I ever dealt with death was here and on this unit, and she was there that day. And so it was cool to actually be able to have somebody to sympathize with me on that same level, because she's been there way many more times than I have, but I'm sure she probably could know exactly how I was feeling for my first one ever, and she just hugged me and held me and told me it was just gonna be okay.
Pouring out their hearts while healing their patients' hearts.
Our bond is probably much stronger than it's probably ever been, honestly.
With Chief Photojournalist Philip Merle, I'm Haley Minogue, WHAS 11 on your side.
All right.
Abby is currently pursuing a nursing degree through a UofL program that covers tuition for children of employees. She hopes to join her mom as a nurse in the CVICU.